Let's create a style that we will be able to use when we open up our data that we normally work on. We've created a custom style. So what we do is, how would we do that? We'd go under the Home tab and you do Cell Styles. And you see? And you go and you say New Style. And you'd say, you know what? Let's call it Carl. And I want to go to the formatting. And I said, yeah, give it a little bit of fill color. Give me a border, thick border, outline. Change my font to Times New Roman. And I do bold and I do 12. And let's change the color of the font to a kind of a blue. And we say, okay. And we say, okay, okay. You just created a style. Now, if I came over here and I highlighted all this data right here, and I went to Cell Styles, you see, it's named Carl. Watch. My work is done. You see, once you create a style, then you can easily come back and use that style to create that, and you don't have to go through all the formatting, the borders, the fill color, the color of the font, the size of the font, the type of the font. You see? That's the beauty of creating styles.